What's up, guys? Kyle with Max Conversion here with you today to walk you through a Google Ads account for a chimney company. I'm going to walk you guys through what keywords are working for us, campaign statistics, where you guys should be at if you're a chimney company looking to run Google Ads or currently running Google Ads. This may give you a good benchmark about where you should be. I'll give you some tricks and tips and ways to improve your campaign. So let's jump into first the results, and then we're going to jump into keywords and other data from the campaign. So what we're seeing here is if we go to let's go to last month. We're looking at about $2,000 spent, about 21 conversions at about a $93 cost per lead with a 23.6% conversion rate, which is excellent. If we go back a little bit further into December, we're looking at more of a 24.7% conversion rate, 46 leads, $91 per lead. So it's pretty good in the chimney space. It's a very, very competitive space with a very high CPC. And so this is very, very common to have that higher lead cost. Now, if CPC was a little bit lower in your guys' market, say $15, and you're getting close to a 25% conversion rate, your lead cost should be at about $60. But in this case, this market is high. The way this is broken up, if we segment our leads, is we have a few different segments, right? So we've got calls from ads. So this is the call asset. It's important to always have a call asset on your Google Ads campaigns. Offline phone call conversion. This is from the landing page, and then these are form submissions. So you can see here significantly more phone calls than form submissions. Only 2 form submissions versus 44 phone calls. So really, really good ratio. We always prefer phone calls over the form submissions. In terms of ad groups, this is kind of how we have it broken up, but there's really only 2 to 3 main ad groups. It's this one and these 4 are kind of our main ones. The other ones get some impressions, but they don't get many clicks. Actually, in those 60 days, they don't have any clicks. So these are kind of the 4 main ones. And you can see here that we have a wide variety of different things happening here. So chimney inspection, we've got 13 different clicks, and we actually got a 0% conversion rate. So that's a complete wash. But on our fireplace repair, we've got a 35% conversion rate, a 22% conversion rate, and a 15% conversion rate on chimney repair. So our lead cost varies for different ad groups. You can see here, this is 100, this is 70, and this is $72. Now, the big thing with this campaign is simply just adjusting that target CPA as time goes on. So we've got enough conversions here, 24, it's at $70. We can likely decrease the CPA down to closer to $70 around this time. Now, the keywords that are working for us are very, very simple. You can see here, these are our 4 best keywords right now in our campaign. You can see our conversion rate is nearly 30% with all of them. This one's about 24%. And then these 2 actually aren't good. These keywords are typically really good, but in this campaign, they are not. So just kind of keep that in mind that sometimes keywords can be different for different campaigns. Gas fireplace repair near me has a 44% conversion rate, so it is crushing it. Now, the big thing with this campaign, guys, is the search terms. So search terms are kind of the name of the game in Google Ads. If you don't have good search terms, then you're just spending a lot of money and you're not going to see anything on the back end. You guys aren't going to see those leads, that high conversion rate, and you guys might bid a little bit less cost per click wise, but on the back end, that ROI is not going to be there. So the whole reason to run Google Ads is to get a positive ROI, put money in, get money out, make sure it's profitable, and just keep running it. So what we're seeing here is just all good quality search terms. You can see here we're really not getting any poor quality search terms at all within the entire first page of this this search term report. So good quality search terms, and this all comes down to native keywords. So in this campaign we have 340 plus we have 2 lists. So those lists have, I believe those lists have about 1,000 or so. So we're well over 2,000 native keywords for this chimney campaign. We've dialed it in over time. So this is going to be very, very important. If you guys are running a campaign and wondering, why is it not performing or what's going on, you want to check that back in. You want to check the search terms report and make sure you're consistently adding negative keywords. Another thing that we do to tighten up the targeting to hit the right audience is we've removed some sort of age from the campaign. So 18 to 34-year-olds, we've just removed them from the campaign. Even though up to 34-year-olds, they could be considered good quality leads, we just want to allocate budget to the people who are over 34, right? 35 and above. The reason being is they're more likely to be serious about it. They're more likely to be busy or not be able to actually do the chimney repair themselves or look into it, the DIY. And so we identified that these people are actually better customers and more likely to convert on the back end than people under 35 years old. So that's really the big thing. We don't have any gender or household income restrictions. You can see here that most of our conversion do come from, look at conversions, most of our conversions do come through the top 10%. So that's a big thing with chimneys as well, right? We do have some exclusions that are helping us out in this campaign. So we've removed do-it-yourselfers, we've removed renters, and we've removed current college students. So that's really the big thing. We don't want current college students, even though we have the age restriction. You do have that unknown category here. And unknown category, you always get the most clicks on those campaigns because this, Google doesn't have data on everybody. So we remove these people. We want to make sure that people like this are removed from the campaign and they're not finding our ad, so that we're only spending money on good quality search terms and good quality clicks and people and directing them to a landing page. So that's how we have this campaign broken down, guys. If you got any use out of this video, maybe some keyword that's going to work for you, or audience targeting, or household income settings, or demographic age, anything like that, please comment down below. Let me know that you got some use out of the video. Make sure if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more helpful Google Ads content.